Hi guys, it's Millie from Flower Hub. We thought we'd just do up a quick demonstration of some of the beautiful product that we have in the fridge. We know you're into the crunch time of Valentine's Day, so we have got together with some of the product that is really fail-safe, super quick to use and super easy. So we're using some of the 25 stem gum, a bunch of natives and 5 stem of red Freedom roses. So we're going to quickly, this is the native bunch. We're going to show you how you can spruce it out a little bit and get really good value for your money. Putting some beautiful wrap on some of your your branding on your bouquets, and then send them out. So we just got your basic one bunch of natives, mixed natives. We're just going to pop it all together. Don't look how my hands work, because I'm not a proper, I do things my own way. How people write with funny hands, Leanne?
Yeah, I do that. I do everything my own way. It makes us unique.
Yes, it does. And you can time yourself doing these things. These are super quick and easy.
Really, I'll have this made in under 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Time is money.
That's how I cook as well. It's not ready in 20 minutes, I'm not interested.
Well, it's going to be a good size bouquet when you finished it.
Totally, and you're just fluffing it out with the greenery. That's why I said, I think the other day when I did the video of the gum, the native bunches, I said you just got to pull them out apart.
Yeah. Nobody likes a skinny chef. Nobody likes a skinny native bunch.
No. Exactly. Never trust one anyway.
No. Because the native bunches actually have a lot of filler in, so
yeah,
you can see all the emu grass in it.
It really fluffs out quite a lot. And you do all your adjusting. You know, everyone's different in how they like to place things. That's 4 stem of gum. So those big 25 stem gums are fantastic because they are cleaned and ready to use.
They're beautiful.
That's pretty much it for me. These are 2 little bit scraggly bits. You can use those in boxes later. I don't know how long that took, but...
Not long. Oh, hang on. Under 2 minutes.
Yeah. They're fantastic. What do you think, guys? I'll quickly put that band around.
So we've got a native bunch, 4 stems of gum, and 4 stems of freedoms.
That's 5 freedoms.
5 stems of freedoms.
Yeah, they're the 25. No, the 10 stem super premium.
148 grower.
Yeah, they are. What do you think? Pop some black wrap around those.
I think that's gorgeous.
Natural wrap around those, and they will fly out the door. So quick and easy to use.
Perfect for the guy that comes running in saying, I need some red roses and something to last.
Yeah, exactly.
You've
something a little bit different.
filled it all there.
Not all 12 stem roses.
Nice work, Millie.
Thanks,